Good evening. My name is Sarfraz Ahmad, and basically I am from Uttar Pradesh, and I live in Kuwait right now. My education is not good, but still I am learning. I am working as a technician in mechanical department. Here I am living in Kuwait. So nowadays I am improving my spoken English. I am co-learner. Yes.
Yes, sir. You are doing great job. Yeah, so I'm going to introduce myself. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to tell about myself. So my name is Sarvesh Kumar, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation, and after that I'm preparing for government job. As well, I'm learning this language just because you can say this is my passion, or you can say this is my childhood dream. And if I talk about my goal, so I want to be a good lawyer as well, English speaker in my life. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Very good introduction. Yes.
So, do you have any question? So you can ask me. Otherwise, I will ask you question.
Yeah, you can ask.
Okay, so sir, tell me something about your job because you were earlier you told me that I'm doing job. So you live still I'm currently Kuwait. So please tell me about your job.
I am working in refinery
Okay,
as a
so
technician. Yes.
okay, great.
This is the totally piping department, mechanical department, and this is the related to the crude oil section. And I think you know already, Kuwait is the one of the most source of income is crude oil.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
there are a lot of refinery as well as well, just like well in India. So
Yes, sir.
petrol diesel well available in Kuwait. So sometimes we are squeezing petrol from soil, earth. Sometimes we are squeezing crude oil from ocean. So sometimes we do on offshore. Sometimes we do onshore. So it depends of my plant project. So this time my project is working as a onshore deserted area where I am working. It's totally dry place. Yeah, this is the my activity.
Yes. Okay, sir. It's good to hear it there, sir. It's good, sir. So, so if you don't mind, so we can take any topic. So that topic we can discuss. We will discuss to each other.
Uh, I think unemployment.
On you don't have any another topic.
Yeah, you can also start smart work and hard work.
Yeah, it's good for us to talk to each other about that topic like smart work and hard work. So what do so after we you so what do you think? Please tell me about smart work and hard work because you are doing job and you know I'm a student so I'm not doing anything. Just I'm talking to you and as well I'm preparing for government lawyer. So please tell me, can you differentiate smart work and hard work?
Yes, smart work is it's like if you are working in any offices as a computer operator, as a data entry force. So if you are working in HABSC department, so you are controlling your AC department, and if you are working in a substation, so there are so many types of devices already installed in that rooms. You have to control all kind of activity, including refinery, and this is the all totally computerized work. So I think in India is not only uh, available, but also all world. available as you consider smart work. But I think smart work is not good for me. One time when I give interview in front of interviewer, he uh, he suggests me I am selecting to you as a computer operator because that time I gave him my CV curriculum vitae. I
Yes.
think I am also computer operator. So that time he requested me as a computer operator, but I ignore. I did not accept, and I
I,
said no. I want to do hard work. So hard work is very good. I think smart work is not good because only sitting in the office. Yeah, and you will not do as a physically. So I think it is not good for your health. But it is a compulsion. Some of the person who is very educated, they cannot do work outside in the field. They cannot do in direct under the sunlight. So in that situation, it is a totally depend of their activity. So I like hard work, and I don't like smart work. Yeah,
okay,
this is
okay.
the
So
my point of view.
that's good, sir. That's good. And I think you explained well. If I talk about me and my perspective to smart work and hard work, so I think here is a lot of different. If you have a skill, so you can do smart work. And if you don't have any skill, so you will do hard work in your future, in your whole life. Or if you are educated person and you are studying and you are not able to get your government job, so you can do smart work because you have knowledge, you have good knowledge, because whatever you have studied in your past, whatever you have studied like your graduation or whatever you have prepared. So I think you have a good knowledge, and in this your place, like in this your area, like whatever, like you are preparing for IAS, PCS competition jam, so you have knowledge, so you can do smart work. Because nowadays if you don't have knowledge and you are not educated, you are not educated person, so I think you will have to do hard work. So I think this is not good for me. If this is my opinion, and I want to
No, no, no.
do hard, I want to
No, no,
do
no.
smart. Listen, sir, first listen, then you will speak. Okay, first listen. Then I'm talking about me. I want to do smart work because nowadays everyone wants to smart work. Because if you know how to smart, if you know how to do smart work, so you can get easily whatever you want in your life. If you and you are doing like hard work, so I think this is not good for everyone, and not me. And I can't do, and I want do hard work in my whole life. I'm learning. I will learn if whatever I have a skill, and I have like a lot of, like you can say, now I'm learning English language, so I have improved a lot of better than before. So now I'm able to speak. So now I can do something just smart work, not hard work. I want to do hard work, sir. Because nowadays if you do hard work, so I think you will exhausted whole day. I think like a whole life in your whole life. So and it is not good for us hard work. I think you have seen a lot of like a hard work. People like most people uh, I don't know, but they are like labor. Labor.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. So I think I have seen a lot of like labor chorawa in like and in Prayagraj city. So sometime I go there. I see, oh my God, a lot of like people they standing just to do hard work, for hard work. Like so I think it is not good for us or our generation. And yeah, I don't know whatever you your
No, no.
choice.
I
Do
think
whatever.
you are not getting my point. You you are you are not getting my point because you consider hard work is it means only labor. No, no. It is not only labor. It is not only worker. Hard means hard work. It means MBBS doctors also they are doing their job in clinic, hospitals. So they are also doing hard work, as well as engineer. I am talking about some of the engineers who are working in my company. They are also doing hard work. They are doing work outside. They visit the place where the workers are working. They visit over there and they check the progress. They check the quantity as well as quantity. So also, if you are study, if you are working as an engineer in any company, so you will do hard work. It is not a smart work. You will not do work in the office. Yes. So most of the engineers, superintendent, supervisor, and most of the highest ranking educated person, they are doing outside. They don't like still doing inside. You don't consider is hard work. It means not. I am not talking about labor. Labor is if you are learning this language, so you are doing hard work. Without doing hard work, without doing uh, consistency, you can't learn this language. This is my point of view.
Yeah, you are speaking truth, sir. It's good. It's good. I think
Okay.
it's yeah. Just sometimes it's happen, and that time maybe I didn't hear you properly. It
Thomas
maybe
Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison experiment so many times. He
yeah.
failed one time, two times, three times. He failed 100,000 times. After that, he got he find how can I make the bulb? Yeah. So without hard working, you can't get any success in your life. So it
Yeah,
smart
you are
work
true.
is total different things, brother. Before getting smart work, you have to do hard work. Without doing hard work, without doing your effort, you can't achieve any kind of goal.
Yeah, you
This
are
is the
true.
my point.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So, sir, please don't mind. So, I'm going to ask you some question just related to English language. If you don't mind, so can I ask you?
Yes, why not?
Okay, so sir, please first my first question is that please tell me why are you learning a language, and the second one is when have you started your spoken English language, and third one is who motivated you to learn this language, and fourth one is and after getting fluency, after getting knowledge, you can say after learning this language, what will you do? What would you do?
Yes, yes. Okay, very good questions asking to me. Yeah, first of all, I am same like you. This is also childhood desire. Yeah, you mentioned earlier that I am very fascinated with this language from my childhood. So same like here, I am very very keen this language, and I want to speak English like advanced level. I am not a well educated person. I think I mentioned so many video in my YouTube channel. I failed twice in high school. Yeah, I did not give pay attention with education. My parents used to say so many times, please go and study, but I did not listen properly to my parents. And this time I am regretting a lot, but my desire was remaining. My desire was remaining. I want to speak English, but earlier I had no idea how to speak English. Earlier it was not that time so many kind of YouTube channel. Yeah, so that time there was not any kind of application for speaking, for making conversation like Skype, like OpenTalk. So many applications are available. So I think nowadays everything is available. If you want to do any kind of activity, you can learn without any mentor. So 5G, this is the era of the 5G. So you cannot make any kind of excuse, first of all. And your second question, so I am learning this language because I want to make environment to my children. Yeah, I
This is
don't have this time I am learning this language, so I don't have English environment. I am trying to make environment by my mobile. Just like I am talking with you, I am in front of you. and I am very far from you, seven ocean cross. Yeah, after you can arrive there. Yes. So, but look, there is a very, it is a very easy to make communication throughout this application because it is the technology. And the next question, what was your next question? I forgot.
No, just I asked you why are you learning a language? Okay, so
Yeah,
my last question is after learning this language, what will you do?
same. I gave answer, brother. I gave answer. I want
Okay,
to.
okay.
Brother,
Let it
listen.
be, sir.
Yes,
Okay, let it be.
no, no. I have some other perspective. I want, first of all, I want to make myself busy. I want to make environment my children, and I want to teach. I want to teach to some that person, that student who don't have money. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So
why
I want
I get
to help them. I want to help them as a English teacher. So yeah, I like this. But I am totally. I am saying to you, I am very fascinated this language. I like very much this language. That's why I'm learning.
okay. So please, can you tell me exact place like your native place, like in Uttar Pradesh, where do you live? Where did you
Uh,
live?
where did you live? Where do you live?
Where did you live? Because your native language now you are
So,
Kuwait.
so this is not my permanent place. This is the yeah, this is not my permanent place.
Okay.
Temporary place. Definitely, I will go to my India within 15 days. I am waiting my number. And yes, your question is good. My native place is I born in Bharat, Maharashtra, but I raised and get education in Varanasi.
Okay, okay. This is a good city. Okay, sir. So if you don't mind, so please, I think this is good language, and you are able to express your thought, and you have improved a lot of. I don't know. You knew or not in before, but now you are able to express your thought, and you have spoken quite well, remarkable. Because now you are speaking English language like this, so maybe I can say that you can learn easily. It is not like big deal for you. Anyone, if they want, so they can learn easily. But I think this is good for us. So please, sir, if you don't mind, so please, I'm a student, so you can understand my problem. I have to prepare my dinner.
Oh, brother. No, brother. You are speaking very well. I listened so many times to you with Ram sir. One day you talked with Ram sir. Yes.
Yeah,
You are from Allahabad,
yeah,
Prayagraj. Yes, yes. And recently you upload your some of the video uploaded by someone or you uploaded. I don't know. So I know you very well. Yes.
okay, sir. It was nice
Okay.
conversation with you. And
Okay.
yes, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir. Good night, sir.
Bye. 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 Thank you.